Hi there, today we're introducing InkBay's 936E ink cartridge combo pack compatible with multiple HP OfficeJet Pro printers. This 4-pack includes black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges designed for high page yields of up to 2,500 pages for black and 1,650 for color. These Remanufactured cartridges feature an adjusted chip ensuring excellent print quality, though they do not display ink levels. The 936E cartridges are a high-yield version that prints twice as many pages as the standard 936 models. They work seamlessly with HP OfficeJet models like the 9122E, 9110B, 9125E, and more. Installation is easy, making it perfect for keeping your printer running smoothly without hassle. Remember, if you need ink level monitoring, opt for original HP cartridges instead. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.